ba eh?
Malaki ang premyo niyan.
Ito.
Oh, get it.
Kunin na.
Get it.
Get na, get.
Yes, that's yours.
Yay!
Or practice pa.
You want ito, practice. Practice.
Walang dollar. Walang laman.
What? No, you have to scratch it. I think you need to scratch it.
Oh, kaya mo ng coins. Oh, ito yung coin.
You have to spin it.
Spin first, then scratch.
It's my
Ano yun? Ganito. Ito ba?
Oh, which one?
Ito ba yun?
Oh, kunin mo na.
Ito na.
Number.
You lose.
What's that?
What's
Better
that?
luck next time.
Sponsor.
Better luck next time.
You get one cheese stick.
Okay. Better luck next time.
It's okay.
This one.
Oh, kunin.
Oh, yes.
Ayan.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, you scratch it.
Scratch it.
Scratch it.
No, you get it na. You get it.
Come on.
Oh, you can get it
You
na.
can get it
Remove
na.
na.
Oh, yan. Scratch mo.
Ano,
Ito
Kuya?
yan ah.
Kuya, go, 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 go. Better luck.
Pa oh. Better luck.
Wow!
Wow.
50 pesos. Oh, yeah! I'm the winner! 50 pesos! Papa! I'm the best!
50 pesos.
Oh, yeah! I'm the winner!
Peso or dollar?
Oh, no. Peso!
50.
Thank you.
Thank you! I'm the winner!
Shopee and Lazada.
Okay.
Binigil mo, anak.
Salamat ka lang.
Wow. Ang saya.
Ang upper grabs na lang, 500, tsaka tig 100.
Kayo. Di dalawa.
Ikaw!
10,000 daw.
Okay.
Okay, isa pa.
Isa pa.
Yan.
Okay.
Ano?
Isa pa.
Saba!
Ikaw sigaw ah.
Galit si Kalel.
Sama. O, yan na. Pinaka-
Ayan na.
Ayan.
Ayan na.
2 million.
5 billion.
2 million claps.
50 pesos.
50!
Oh, wala na eh.
Ate Sarah.
Sino natin yung pera?
Ano mabibili ko sa 4,000?
Mag-ipon ka ba?
Isa pa.
Isa pa.
Wala pa? Isa pa? Yun na.
Ayun na.
Okay.
Okay,
Better luck next time.
Yan.
20 pesos.
20!